Okay, this is one of our newest residents. He just came in today. And his name's going to be Cicero because he is so noble looking. And he's a nice boy. He's kind of young. We weren't sure at first, but he's just been very good about getting his shots and his front line and his stronges.
He's very nice boy.
He's a big, big boy. He came in with a female and 5 puppies.
I'm a daddy. They should have named me
He
Daddy.
probably weighs 60 to 70 pounds.
Daddy-o.
He's been really good with us so far.
Kiss. Aw, he's a kisser. He's a lover. He's a lover. Named him Romeo.
Should have called him Caesar.
Caesar. Caesar. Good. Caesar's a good name. I like
Caesar's a good name.
We'll change it to Caesar.
Every time.
We have spent a lot of time.
I think we had a cat named Caesar. You see Charles over there mowing?
There's Charles. There's Charles. There's Charles.
You want to tell everybody that you need a home, that you're a good boy and you need a home. Look at those pretty white teeth.
They
Say, look
are.
at these pretty white teeth. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Maybe my panna. Do they make our panna?
I don't think so.
Okay.
Here we go, the ears up. Let me. Okay.
Let's start putting stuff on.
Look here, bub. Look here. Put your ears up. No. Say that's enough.